Hi, welcome to Cooking with my autistic son Jerry. Today we're going to make a Greek spinach mixture. As you can see, Jerry's got spinach for ingredients. We have butter, olive oil, garlic, and onion in this bowl that we cooked in the microwave. 3 red potatoes, and Jerry is layering this dish now. There is a little bit of the olive oil and butter mixture at the bottom, bacon. We're using red potatoes at this point to layer the bottom. And we're going to top it off with cheese. We're going to top it also with the bacon. We're going to put the bacon on top of the potatoes. Take the slices apart. Take the slices apart. See, they're in slices. Look. That's one slice. Look here. Hang on a second. Just take them apart and put them on top. Really nice. Layer them up. There we go. Keep going, pull them apart. Now that's good enough. You don't have to rip them. They're already ripped. You see how they layered? Just this. Please. You didn't have to do all that. Oh my God. Hold on. Sorry, folks. This is Jerry's first time, so I'm trying to show him. Look, they come apart really easy. You don't have to rip or tear at them. They're already... No, don't do that, please. Let me show you again, son. You see there's 2 pieces of bacon here? Look. 1, 2. You see what I'm saying? 2 pieces, so you didn't have to do it that way. I'll have to show him how to do that later. And then we're going to put spinach on top of that. Well, wait a minute. We're going to put a little bit of the olive oil and butter mixture on top of here. Okay, we're going to save the rest for the top, actually. Put a little bit of that there. And then Jerry's going to layer the spinach on top of that. Go ahead, son. Good job. He's layering the spinach because this is a Greek dish. We did this before, but we did it with a russet potato, and we did it with egg mixture, which I'm taking the egg mixture out and changing the russet potato to a red potato because it's actually sweeter, more flavorful. And adding a little bit of butter to the garlic, or the olive oil rather, and giving it a little bit more flavor. So we're going to see how this bakes up, and we're going to have Jerry taste it for you. We'll do another video on Jerry tasting it, and then we'll let you know if the recipe's good, if you really like it. We'll tell you how it fares with other foods. And it's pretty good, actually, I think, because of the fact that it's probably a little bit more healthy than what you're used to. Then we're going to pour the rest of this mixture on top to give it a little extra flavor, which this is the garlic and onion, if you remember what I told you before. The garlic and onion butter mixture, olive oil. And Jerry's going to top the whole thing off with cheese now. He's going to put a layer of cheese on top of there. And make sure you cover everything. So this is queso cheese or quesadilla cheese. I think it's better because it's more flexible. It's it's going to go perfect with the spinach dish. And I like to use the semi-soft cheeses when you cook them up because they're really good. Has a lot of flavor. So we changed a few things in the recipe because it is an older recipe that I got from my mother. And I'm changing it up today because I wanted to do a little bit of different, a little bit of difference from my mom's recipe, kind of stray from that recipe a little bit and give it a little bit of a kick, a little more flavor. So Jerry's going to finish that off, and then we are going to bake it up, and we will bring it back and show it to you in a little bit. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day. Jerry, say goodbye to everybody. Say thanks for watching. Bye for now.